Sometimes we could all use a little help falling asleep or waking up refreshed. If that sounds like you or your family, meet the Govee Nightlight. This small device has a surprising amount of features. It's not only a nightlight, but it's a white noise machine too, and you can set it to wake you up with light and sound as well. In this review, I'll take a quick look at what this nightlight can do, how it works, the fun array of different lights and sound, the pros and the cons, and what I think overall. Let's start with the lights. With 54 different animated light and scene modes, you can have not just a light source, but a source of entertainment too. Choose warmer or cooler lights or make it look like a mini aquarium. You can change the ambiance of a room quickly, making it perfect for an immersive bedtime story. Sleep scientists have found that white noise can help some kids, especially infants, drift off and get a good night's rest. The Govee Nightlight has a built-in white noise generator with up to 21 types of soothing sounds to help you or your child fall asleep and stay asleep longer. You can choose anything from birds to music, ocean sounds, or a droning fan or a clacking train. With the Govee Home mobile app, you can set timers, customize your colors, and even set different scenes and modes, and you can control the light from almost anywhere in your home. The nightlight rests on a small dock that keeps it powered 24/7, but if you want to use the nightlight where power isn't as close by, you can pick it up from its charging dock and place it anywhere because it's rechargeable. This also makes the light a handy and unexpected task light for your crawl space or in place of a flashlight if your power ever goes off. The nightlight isn't just for sleeping, you can also use it for waking up. By setting a daily timer in the app, the light will come on at whatever brightness you choose at any time you want. You can also choose any white noise sound effect to accompany your wake up. Your nightlight can even connect to your smartphone to play music if you prefer that as a lullaby. Now, I'll say the speaker in here is extremely small and therefore the quality isn't really great, but if you're using this with kids or if you're using it just as an alarm clock, it probably wouldn't bother you too much. Turn Govee Nightlight on. If you want to connect the light to Google or Alexa using the Govee app, you can also get voice control so you or your child can use it hands-free. Now, the battery life is a bit hard to pin down. Govee says the battery in here should last anywhere from 3 and up to 30 hours, depending on how you're using this light. If you have it on full brightness with the audio on, you're going to get less life out of it. Similarly, a lower light setting is going to last a whole lot longer. Of course, if it's left on its cradle, it can run 24/7, 365. Overall, this nightlight is a lot more than just a bedtime helper. It's a handy, portable light that's also rechargeable in case of power outages or emergencies. It's got a really cool array of lights and sound effects, and it can also be a relaxing office companion too. So what are the downsides? Well, the speaker is understandably not great, and the battery life does vary wildly. Even so, I've really been enjoying this nightlight both for falling asleep and waking up in my own bedroom, and I think it would be a really great addition to yours. The Govee Nightlight here sells for about $70 Canadian or $40 US, and you can get one from Govee or from Amazon. Now, I've tried other much pricier sleep solutions. Check out this option from Philips, or see why I didn't care for the uber popular Hatch Restore right now.